Happy Thanksgiving. Kelly Belly back with you. And I'm gonna show you how to smoke that Thanksgiving turkey and have it taste phenomenal. We're gonna brine it up. We got some Blues Hog, got some brine. We're gonna put this on here, get it brined up overnight. Then tomorrow, it's smoking time. We'll show you how to do that. But for now, let's show you the brine. Half of this Blues Hog rise and brine chicken brine, mix it with a few cups of hot water, get it really mixed in. Then we're gonna go ahead and dilute that with cold water till it's all cold, enough that we'll be able to cover this bird. It's time to take our turkey out of our brine, put a little bit of an olive oil binder on it, then a little high flying chicken rub from Blues Hog. It's gonna be perfect. Look at that beautiful color on that rub. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, just what we want. Let's get the other side again. So I'm putting the brine to the test in two ways today. First, of course, is the flavor test, but I really want to see how much moisture the brine adds. To test that, I am not going to give it any help at all. No water pan, no spritzing, and no skin. Just 250 degrees of pure cherry smoke. So we cooked our turkey, if we're going to call it a turkey. It's really the worst of all worlds as far as a cut of meat. I didn't get the turkey I wanted. I asked for a small turkey. And I didn't get a turkey breast, which would also have been bad. What I got from the store, what was bought for me, was turkey breasts on a carcass. There's nothing on here meat-wise other than the turkey breast. But for some reason, I get to deal with a carcass. I don't know why they even sell this. Regardless, once I saw that, the game plan changed. Instead of doing a beautiful turkey for Thanksgiving for you, now this is a taste test project. What I'm basically trying to do is find out if the Blues Hog rise and brine that I put on this thing for 24 hours and wet brined it, we're gonna find out that 24-hour wet brine with the rise and brine made a difference. And then we put on a little Blues Hog half-line chicken. It's a taste test. If this tastes good, then I know this is exactly how I want to prepare my actual turkey for Thanksgiving. So it's just a taste test today, but it's an important one. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Think that's moist? That smoke ring looks like it's about ½ inch thick. We'll find out in a minute. It's a heck of a smoke ring, that's for sure. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Succulent. Oh, still just dripping. Oh, I gotta get in here. Enough of this looking around. I gotta get into this. See how it came out. I gotta be honest. I was skeptical on the brining. This is the first time I've ever actually brined a bird. I thought it wasn't worth the trouble. I think it might be worth the trouble. Because it's doing two things for you. First of all, there's a lot of flavor there. A lot of flavor. But the other thing is, they say it adds about 10% to the weight of the bird just in how much it soaks up. So think about when I'm looking at these beautiful pieces cutting off, we're just cutting off another beautiful piece here just because we can. When we cut a beautiful piece like this and we see it dripping, the reason it's still dripping even though I smoked it for 5 hours is because it got brine. And you know what? I didn't even use a water pan in my smoker. I didn't baste this. I didn't, do anything but brine. No water pan, no nothing to help it. No mop, no spritz, just smoked it. And look at this moisture. Very happy with what the brine does.